Looking for a simple but addictive strategy game you can play on your Windows PC? Hey everyone! Today, we're checking out 4 in a Row, a classic game that's easy to learn but surprisingly challenging to master. 4 in a Row is a 2-player strategy game. You can play against a friend or challenge the computer. The goal is simple: be the first to connect 4 of your colored discs in a row. Players take turns dropping discs into a vertical grid. Each disc falls straight down into the lowest available space in the selected column. You can win by connecting 4 discs in a line, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. Sounds easy, right? But your opponent is trying to do the same thing, so every move counts. Winning isn't just about making your own line. It's also about blocking your opponent. Think ahead, plan your moves, and try to create multiple winning opportunities at once. This Windows app comes with a clean interface, smooth animations, and different difficulty levels. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, there's always a challenge waiting. When the player wins, you can start a new game by clicking the Start button. There is also an option below to undo the last move, and even a feature that provides hints to help you beat the computer opponent in the 4 in a Row game. While you are playing the game against the computer, you can see a timer at the top that continuously tracks how long you've been playing. It also shows the number of moves that have been made so far. Windows 11 widget. You can also add 4 in a Row to your Windows 11 widget board. To do this, click on the weather icon in your taskbar to open the Windows 11 widget board. Then click the large plus Add Widgets button. Next, select 4 in a Row from the list and click the blue Add Widget button. Once added, you will see the widget on your Windows 11 widget board. And that's it. You now know how to use the 4 in a Row Windows app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more app content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.